From the lush rainforests to the depths of the ocean, our planet teems with life in a kaleidoscope of extraordinary creatures. Yet today, many of these animals face an uncertain future. Their very existence hangs precariously in the balance, threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and human activity. Join us now as we journey to the far corners of the globe to meet 10 of the world's most endangered animals. Welcome back to Best of the Best. Today we're exploring the top 10 endangered animals. Let's get started. Deep within the rain-drenched jungles of Java, a creature of immense power and prehistoric lineage makes its home, the Javan Rhino. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, this solitary giant is now critically endangered, with fewer than 75 individuals clinging to survival. Their last refuge, Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia, offers a glimmer of hope. Habitat loss, driven by human encroachment and the relentless expansion of palm oil plantations, continues to shrink their already limited territory. The Javan rhino's low reproductive rate compounds the challenges to their recovery. Adding to their plight, natural disasters pose an ever-present threat. The fate of this magnificent creature now rests on our collective commitment to its protection. Across the African savanna, another rhino species faces a perilous future, the black rhino. Once a common sight across the continent, their numbers have plummeted in recent decades due to the insatiable demand for their horns. Poaching, driven by a lucrative black market trade, has decimated their populations. Habitat loss due to human expansion and agriculture further restricts their range and isolates populations. Despite the immense challenges they face, there is hope for the black rhino. Dedicated conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration, are showing signs of success. Beneath the waves of our planet's oceans, ancient mariners embark on epic journeys sea turtles. For millions of years, these graceful creatures have navigated vast distances, playing a vital role in marine ecosystems. But today, many species of sea turtles face an uncertain future, their populations decimated by a multitude of threats. Habitat loss, driven by coastal development, pollution, and climate change, robs them of nesting beaches and foraging grounds. Entanglement in fishing gear, a tragic consequence of bycatch, claims countless lives each year. The illegal trade in their eggs and shells for food, jewelry, and traditional medicine continues to threaten their survival. By reducing our plastic consumption and supporting sustainable fishing practices, we can help ensure that these ancient mariners continue to grace our oceans. In the dense, misty forests of the Annamite Mountains, a creature of myth and legend roams the Saola. Dubbed the Asian unicorn for its elusive nature and striking, long, straight horns, the Saola is one of the world's rarest mammals. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development, has fragmented their forest home. Hunting, both for subsistence and the illegal wildlife trade, further threatens their survival. The Saola's shy and solitary nature makes studying and protecting them a formidable challenge. In the vast expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, a majestic giant navigates the depths, the North Atlantic right whale. These baleen whales, known for their massive size and distinctive V-shaped blowholes, were once a common sight. Today they are critically endangered, their numbers decimated by centuries of human activity. Ship strikes and entanglement in fishing gear pose significant threats to these slow-moving whales. Climate change, too, is taking its toll, impacting the whales' ability to find the nourishment they need to survive. The plight of the North Atlantic right whale is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the ocean. On the remote Pacific island of Samoa, a critically endangered bird clings to survival, the tooth-billed pigeon. Often referred to as the dodo's cousin, this unique pigeon faces an uncertain future. Habitat destruction, driven by deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion, has decimated their forest home. Introduced predators such as rats, cats, and snakes pose a constant threat to their nests, eggs, and chicks. In the murky depths of India's sacred rivers, a unique crocodilian faces an uncertain future, the gharial. With its long, slender snout studded with needle-like teeth, the gharial is perfectly adapted for a life spent hunting fish. Habitat loss and degradation, driven by dam construction, irrigation projects, and sand mining, have destroyed their nesting beaches. Accidental drowning in fishing nets further threatens their survival. The gharial's unique morphology makes it particularly vulnerable to extinction. In the lush forests of New Zealand, a remarkable and critically endangered bird makes its home, the kakapo. This large, flightless parrot, known for its moss-green plumage and nocturnal habits, is a true oddity of the avian world. Rats, stoats, and cats brought to the islands have decimated kakapo populations. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and agriculture, has further restricted their range. The kakapo's unique breeding biology makes their recovery a slow and challenging process. In the remote and frigid forests of the Russian Far East, a phantom-like creature roams, the Amur leopard. With its thick, luxurious coat adorned with distinctive rosettes, the Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on Earth. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for logging, agriculture, and development, has fragmented their forest home. Poaching for their beautiful fur and other body parts continues to threaten their survival. In the murky depths of Mexico's Gulf of California, a tiny porpoise fights for survival. The vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal, the vaquita is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 individuals believed to remain. Bycatch in illegal gillnet fishing operations targeting the totoaba is the primary threat to the vaquita's survival. Despite a ban on gillnets and their habitat, illegal fishing continues, pushing the vaquita closer to extinction. As we've journeyed to the far corners of our planet, we've encountered creatures of extraordinary beauty and resilience, each facing an uncertain future. The plight of these endangered animals is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. The loss of even a single species diminishes the tapestry of life on Earth. But there is still hope. By raising awareness and supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Thanks for joining us on this journey to protect endangered species. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.